Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use your voice to basically create a song on CapCut PC. So to do that, you can just record your voice, or you can import a file that you already have here. So I'm just going to stop the recording. And then I'm going to go to voice changer, and I'm going to select speech to song. Now there is one free one, which is a folk one, and I'm just going to select that one, and it's going to convert it into a song. They also have hip hop and other genres, but you have to have the pro feature. But this one specifically is free. So yeah, that is it really. It's going to turn your speech to a song. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.